Welcome to the deep dive. Today we're digging into a pretty specific XRP price forecast.
Yes, one that's definitely making some waves.
It is. It's from market analyst Crypto, looking specifically at July 2025.
Right.
So our goal here is to unpack their main predictions and the reasoning behind this potential, surge for XRP.
And just for context, for everyone listening, XRP is currently trading today, May 28th, 2025, right around $2.30.
Okay, $2.30 now. So let's get straight to it. What's the headline prediction?
The big number is $27.
$27.
Yeah. Crypto is suggesting XRP could reach $27 by July of next year, 2025.
Wow. Okay. Compared to $2.30 today, that's a massive jump.
It really is a very bullish outlook.
So what's driving that? What's the core analysis behind such a, bold call?
It seems to be heavily based on historical price patterns.
History. Okay. Like what?
Specifically, the analyst is drawing parallels to XRP's behavior before its huge rally back in 2017.
Ah, the 2017 run. I remember that.
Exactly. They're looking at the charts now and seeing sort of similar consolidation patterns, suggesting history might be repeating or at least rhyming.
So like a coiled spring scenario based on past action.
That seems to be the idea, that we're in a phase similar to the one just before that big breakout years ago.
Interesting. Are there specific price levels they're pointing to, things to watch?
Yes, definitely. They've flagged a really crucial support level.
Okay.
And that's $2.30.
Wait, $2.30, that's where you just said it's trading right now?
Precisely. It's currently sitting right on this key support level identified in the analysis. Technically, it corresponds to the 21-week exponential moving average, the EMA.
Right, the BMA. So holding this level is pretty critical for their forecast then.
Absolutely. According to Crypto, staying above $2.30 is vital for this bullish scenario to even stay on the table.
Got it. Okay, $2.30 is the floor to watch.
Yeah.
What about the other way? Any ceilings or resistance points they mention on the pass up?
Yes, a couple of key resistance levels are highlighted. The first hurdle is seen around $2.70.
$2.70. Is there a reason for that specific number?
Yeah, it lines up with the 1.414 Fibonacci level. Those Fibonacci ratios often act as potential turning points or resistance in markets.
Okay, fib levels. Makes sense. Any others?
The next major one they point to is $3.
$3. Kind of a psychological level too, maybe.
Could be. But the analysis frames it more as a confirmation point. Breaking firmly above $3 would signal, real strength and potentially clear the path for that bigger move towards the $27 target.
Okay, let me see if I can recap this. We've got Crypto forecasting XRP potentially hitting $27 by July 2025.
That's the call.
And the logic is rooted in historical patterns, specifically mirroring the lead up to the 2017 rally.
Correct.
Key levels for you to watch. Support right where we are, $2.30, which is the 21-week EMA.
Crucial level.
And the resistance points at $2.70, that's a fib level, and then breaking $3 would be a strong confirmation signal.
You've got it. That sums up the core technical picture they're painting.
It's fascinating how much weight is put on these historical chart patterns.
It is. And, while looking at the past can definitely provide valuable insights and potential roadmaps, it's never a guarantee, right? Markets are complex, things change. Past performance isn't always indicative of future results, as they say.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Which is actually a perfect transition to our final thought for you today.
Right.
As you think about this, pretty ambitious forecast for XRP, consider how historical analysis, like looking back at 2017, can offer clues. It can inform possibilities.
But it's crucial to also remember the inherent uncertainties.
Exactly. Financial forecasting is tricky. The past gives us context, maybe some patterns, but the future, that's always writing itself fresh.
Well said. Something to definitely keep in mind.